Aha, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing, guys. This time I have for you one handheld garment steamer from Xiaomi. This is one reputed Chinese brand for quality. There are many type of Chinese product available. Some of them are very higher quality, some of them are lower. So these are high-end Chinese brand, looks very good. I have couple of this one. I have some local, I also have Philips 3000 series. So let's see how this one compared to other Philips and local ones. So let's see. The box is very beautiful. I like how it is. Look, a premium quality product made in China, obviously, but the box is very premium of Xiaomi as always. Something as Apple, Samsung, this type of pack you will see in Xiaomi, not cheap. Okay, without any further ado, we can unpack this one. Here we have some sticker. We can take this off without cutting it. Here we go, and take this off from here. Okay, here coming out we have container of water. Size is very good in this case, lovely. My version of Philips contains 120 milliliter water. I think this is 168 or 160 milliliter. It's more bigger the pot than Philips in this case. Then this side we see some manual, very heavy duty manual catalog. You can see here guarantee written in different languages. Here one manual, very heavy, lovely bookage. Okay, here the machine directly, I guess. Cable is one side. Take this off. Inside nothing else but lovely box. Put one side. Here is the machine wrapped in a pack. Take this off from here. Wow, beautiful looking machine here. It's folded. You can travel with that very easily. Cable, lovely. Here cable is coming with a belt. If you lose the belt, very high quality European plug, you can see here, lovely. Here Xiaomi steamer. If you scan you can see more indication, but size of the cable is quite big size of cable, same as the Philips I have. So lovely, it will be comfortable to iron. So this one, you see how is the machine here, the holes we can, this is bended, can open this one little bit force, you have to put, then it goes as this. Wow, beautiful machine. Can see here guys, beautiful body, very premium. Here you have one light, very premium quality. As I say, look as a construction or build quality of Apple product, similar type of build quality. Here another hole, cable, very high build quality. If you ask me, I feel better than Philips in this case. Here feel something cold to your hands. Your button to press, Xiaomi, written original Xiaomi, because also you have duplicate of Xiaomi. They copy this company as well. It's a reputed brand. Here one knob, so it will go inside the water this side. Wow, lovely. And we have this pot to connect, so we'll fill water in this and we'll be back to show you guys. So you see here water I fill. You have to pull this up this side. You see the hole here, you have to put water inside, then you cover it up. Very lovely. You can full, I put medium. Then see how it is exactly, I guess goes inside as this and as this. Lovely, look almost same as a Philips. Now I'm gonna plug this on. You see here at the top the light is blinking. Have to wait few seconds, 30 seconds, something as this. And we press now. Vapor is coming out. You see it's very strong vapor. Wow, it's hot. So now real test, we'll iron something. So we have some shirt with some wrinkle, you can see here. We'll iron this one, let's see how I'm doing. Little bit iron I have done. Good result I feel. Here you see some wrinkles are gone. It's not that strong, but maybe you have to do couple of times. Okay, I feel good. So if I tell you, not bad guys, not bad. Now we'll try with some scarf here. Okay, and we'll try this way. If you do this way, you may apply more pressure. This way looks better, more strong, I can feel. Overall is a very good product, very premium design. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.